What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add Cash App card to PlayStation. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you exactly add your Cash App card here? Well, adding your Cash App card is fairly easy. By the way, if you're not aware yet, you could actually update the settings or whatever information you have on your, in this case, a PlayStation account via your phone. So in this case, this is going to be a lot easier for you. So go ahead and install the PlayStation app in your mobile device here. But once you've done that, let's go ahead and open it up. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to go to the PlayStation icon that you see at the very bottom here. It's going to be the PS Store. Now, once you click on it, you should be able to see you should be able to see a bunch of buttons. So at the top section here, you have the plus, heart, and hamburger icon. You want to click on the hamburger icon or 3-bar icon here, and you want to choose the payment methods option. Now, in here, what we need to do is we just need to click on the option here that says add payment method. So once you click on it, let's go and click on add a credit or debit card. Now, once you've done that, you just need to provide all the necessary details here. So that includes the, in this case, card number, the expiration date for it, as well as the CVC or CVV at the back of that specific card, which in this case should be in your Cash App card. But yeah, so in this case, once you've added your card here, as you can see, it's going to accept different number of cards. Again, a Cash App card is going to be a Visa card, so definitely they will accept your card here. So yeah, go ahead and provide all the details, even the card holder's name here. But once you provide all the details here and click on next at the very bottom, it might require you to do some verification, but then again, just complete that, and from then on, you should be able to add your card. But yeah. So by the way, if you update your, again, like what I said before, if you update your details here via the app, it will also update your details on your PlayStation. So don't worry about it. But in this case, that's about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.